नमस्ते जी, गुड मॉर्निंग ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स, भाइयों और बहनों, लेडीज़ एंड जेंटलमैन, स्टूडेंट्स, स्कॉलर्स, लिसनर्स, लर्नर्स, ऑफिशियल्स एंड प्रोफेशनल्स, डॉक्टर्स, मिनिस्टर्स, सम्माननीय, पूजनीय, वंदनीय, माननीय, ऑनरेबल डिग्निटरीज from the world of science, religion, spirituality, arts, commerce and engineering. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all. Your presence is praiseworthy, admirable, appreciable. I thank God for providing your valuable time and presence of your mind for listening the truth of science and spirituality. Today we will study the factors that help in becoming a successful person, becoming a resourceful person for our society and nation. First important thing, that is environment. First and foremost, environment helps us in giving the foundation of a healthy citizen of our nation. Environment consists harm, positive or negative influences. School, peer pressure. Work, supportive or overcritical supervisor. Media, television, newspapers, magazines, radio, movies. Cultural background, religious background, traditions and beliefs. Social environment, political environment. All of these environments create a culture. Every place, be it a home, organization or a country, has a culture. Have you noticed that sometimes you go to a store and you find the salesperson polite, the supervisor, manager and owner polite as well. Yet you go to another shop and you find everyone rude and discourteous. You go to a home and you find the kids and parents well behaved, courteous and considerate. You go to another home where everyone is fighting like cats and dogs. In countries where the government and politician or political environment is honest, generally you will find that the people are honest, law abiding and helpful, and the person is, and the reverse is true too. In a corrupt environment, an honest person has a tough time, whereas in an honest environment the corrupt one has a tough time. In a positive environment, a marginal performer's output goes up In a negative environment, a good performer's output goes down. Culture in any place always goes top down, never bottom up. We need to step back and look at what kind of environment we have created for ourselves and for those around us. It is tough to expect positive behavior in a negative environment where lawlessness becomes the law. Honest citizens become cheats, crooks and thieves. Isn't it time to evaluate the environment that we are in or we have created for others? Second greatest factor is experiences. Our behavior changes according to our experiences with people and events in our life. If we have a positive experience with a person, our attitude towards him becomes positive and vice versa. Education, third factor. I refer to both formal and informal education, not just academic qualifications. Knowledge strategically applied, translates into wisdom, ensuring success. I talk of education in the broader sense. It makes the role of the educator vital. A teacher affects eternity. The ripple effect is immeasurable. We are drowning in information but starving for knowledge and wisdom. Education ought to teach us not only how to make a living but also how to live. How do you recognize people with a positive attitude? Just like an absence of ill health does not equal good health, an absence of negativity alone does not make a person positive. People with positive attitude have certain personality traits that are easy to recognize. They are caring, confident, patient, and humble. They have high experiences of themselves and others. They anticipate positive outcomes. A person with a positive attitude is like a fruit of all seasons. He is always welcome. The benefits of a positive attitude, what are? These are many and easy to see, but what is easy to see is also easy to miss. To mention a few, a positive attitude increases productivity, fosters teamwork, solves problems, improves quality, makes for congenial atmosphere, breeds loyalty, increases profits, fosters better relationships with employees and customers, reduces stress, helps a person become a contributing member of society and an asset to their country, makes for a pleasing personality. The consequences of a negative attitude, what are? Our life is an obstacle course and we become our own biggest obstacle by having a negative attitude. People with a negative attitude have a hard time keeping friendships, jobs, marriage, and relationships. Their attitude leads to bitterness, resentment, a purposeless life, ill health, high stress level for themselves and others. They create a negative environment at home and work and become a liability to society. They also pass on their negative behavior to others around them and to future generations. When we become aware of our negative attitude,